In this video, we've got some breaking news from Tesla regarding the Model S and Model X. Let's get into it. It's official. Tesla is doing a final edition Model S and Model X. I am so stoked. I've been calling for this ever since the announcement was made that S and X were going to be ending. Different points on X, and just kind of in the community been super kind of bummed that Model S in particular and Model X, but S, such an icon, such an incredible impact on automotive, just super bummed that it is canceled. And it's just a vehicle that really changed automotive history forever. I'm sitting in my Model S Plaid right now that was actually the first car, gas or electric, to ever cross Canada.
We've got the Plaid here, first ever car with over 1,000 horsepower to cross the country. We started over in Vancouver Island. We went all the way to Cape Spear, Newfoundland, and here we are in the nation's capital, right here on Capitol Hill in Ottawa. What a huge victory. All electric too, no gas, coast to coast.
Did that in 2023. And the vehicle is just so unbelievably capable. The Model S is just an incredible vehicle. I have also a Model X. We have a 2016, one of the early builds with the power rear spoiler as well. It's a P100D Ludicrous that has just served our family so well. And here in 2026, it's still transporting our family just fantastically. But I'm sitting here in my Model S Plaid, so excited that Tesla has officially decided to make a proper farewell send-off vehicle, a final edition Model S Plaid. Just an absolute icon. I love that they're giving us some good, proper closure. Now, this is an invitation-only vehicle, and my understanding is that it will be painted the signature red. So the original signature red, I'm sure with some modern enhancements that have been made to the paint process and paint technology over the last 14 years. Because the original came out in, I guess it was 2011 as a 2012 model year, the original signature. And really that car, I mean, still people always talk about Sig Red, signature red. So it's really exciting that they're bringing that color back, and it really brings the whole thing full circle and gives us some proper closure to people that are super passionate about this vehicle. I worked in automotive for, oh my gosh, a very long time, almost 20 years. And I have never come across a vehicle that can do anywhere near what the Model S Plaid can do. You know, never mind what I've done to the vehicle. I mean, I've taken it off-road at level 3, level 4 off-road courses through the mountains of Colorado. I've taken it out into mountain trails in Newfoundland. In fact, this is the first Model S Plaid that ever completed. It might be one of the first, might be the very first Tesla actually to ever complete the Trans-Labrador Wilderness Highway. In fact, I believe it is the first Tesla, one of the first EVs to complete that very ultra remote highway, probably one of the most remote highways in Canada, certainly in the eastern part of North America.
Well, there it is. We just completed the Trans-Labrador Wilderness Highway, complete with the Model S Plaid. Also, the first 1,000 horsepower car to cross Canada is now the first 1,000 horsepower car to cross the Trans-Labrador Highway. They said it couldn't be done, but we made it happen. Incredible.
But it is such a capable vehicle, and I'm glad they've made this final edition. So they're painting its signature red. The interior will be the white interior with the new plaid seats that came out, I guess, a couple of years ago. But very differently, the piping won't be black. It's going to be gold, which is really exciting. All of the accents in the car will be gold, including the metal inserts that go into the seat backs, the plaid badging on the exterior, a ton of gold accents, puddle lamps that when you open the door, they display the Tesla logo. Those will be done in gold as well, and just gold accents all over the car. So it's kind of like you've got this beautiful signature red, crimson, oxblood metallic pearl paint with the beautiful gold accents. Again, just kind of the signature red is, of course, a nod to the past, to the origins of the Model S, and the gold is a nod to the future with Cybercab and Robotaxi and Optimus. And so that's so exciting. I love that. It really brings the story full circle. And even more than that, a lot of people don't know, but back in 2012, I believe it was Iron Man 2 was a new movie that was coming out. The real life Iron Man made his appearance. Elon Musk made his appearance in that movie, which is so cool. And so, of course, tying in with the signature red with the gold accents, of course, the Iron Man suit is the same color scheme, the same livery. And so again, we're kind of pulling that sort of pop culture into the vehicle. What an unbelievable icon. I hope that these vehicles are not driven too much, but preserved. Hopefully, one of them will make it into a museum somewhere for people to see. I just want to give a huge shout out to my friend Steve Jurvetson. He has the very first Model S, VIN number 0001. And so I messaged Steve on X and I said, Steve, I'm like, it would really bring this story some, bring it full circle, but it would also bring a really, a little glimmer of happiness to an otherwise kind of bummed out. We're a little bummed out that this unbelievable car is ending production, but how cool would it be, Steve, for you to get the very final edition, the very last Model S to roll off the line? Steve responded and said, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. And a few hours later, he says, yep, we're going to make it happen. So I love that. I love that there's a story to this and that it's being kind of closed out. It's getting the proper experience, the proper reverence, I guess you could say. It's really an icon. The Model S, I'm telling you, I come from legacy automotive, traditional automotive. I'm a huge motorsport enthusiast, classic car enthusiast. My grandfather is a 46 Ford, a 62 Lincoln Continental that I learned to do the brakes on. So I'm a cars guy. And the Model S, I believe, has made a bigger impact on automotive history than I would argue any other singular car, at least since the Model T. And it's very important. I feel that it's very important that the car get proper closure to its story. I just want to say thank you to Tesla. Thank you to Elon Musk. Thank you to Franz and the whole team there, Lars and everybody else. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that this is happening. I hope that I can attend the farewell ceremony for the Model S and X. So if there's anybody from Tesla that's watching this video, please, my DMs are open. My email is open. I would love to be there. There's nobody out there that has done more with the Tesla Model S. I have, oh my gosh, I've done so much with this vehicle. I've done more with the Model S than I believe anybody else has as far as demonstrating its incredible capabilities. I've got a bed right now. We were just demonstrating at a car show here in Austin. But I've got a double bed in the back of my Model S that I've slept well over 200 nights in the vehicle. I've driven it across the US, 9 times, across Canada several times. I've done the trek from San Antonio, Texas to St. Anthony, Newfoundland, into some of the most remote places that I was told. In fact, I was stopped on a highway, on the Trans-Labrador Highway, and there was a truck rolled over in the ditch, and one of the locals came by and he stopped and he says, "Hey, is that a battery car?" I said, "Yeah." He says, "You're not supposed to be here." I smiled and I said, well, I do a lot of things I'm not supposed to do, and ended up completing that trek, even though the locals said I couldn't do it. It couldn't be done, but the Model S, it did it. And I was able to post up some of those photos, and Elon actually responded when I posted that photo crossing the border from Labrador into northern Quebec. The first Plaid, first car with over 1,000 horse to ever do that. And it was a Tesla. So, and not only a Tesla, but a Model S Plaid. Anyways, an incredible car. And I'm so happy right now. I've been bummed for a long time, but this is really, really good. We've got a signature red Iron Man Plaid. And, oh my goodness, I almost forgot this. Super important, because I posted about this too, that we never ended up getting a Model S Plaid with factory installed track pack, but they're making it. The final edition will have the carbon ceramic monster brakes, the full track pack, full unlock software, all the big stuff, the firmware, all the goodies, right from factory, delivered to the customer. And those beautiful big red brake calipers will not be red. They're going to be gold, baby. Cybercab gold. I love it. This story is fantastic. They're going to do a Model X as well. It will not have the track pack, but will be done very beautifully. It'll be a 6-seater configuration only, so very exciting. So here's what we know so far on the special edition, final edition, signature Model S and X. So here we go. Garnet red paint, so signature red paint with matching door handles. So they're not going to be black. They're going to be painted body color. So that's a different look. The Tesla T badges are going to be done in gold on the front, a signature badge on the rear, and a gold plaid badge on the rear. So I'm guessing signature on the left, plaid on the right, or one above the other. We'll see how they lay them out on the tailgate. White interior, of course, with the Alcantara, the black Alcantara accents in the seats. These are the plaid seats. And the badging is going to be done as gold as well. So those metal badges in the back of the seat. So that's pretty cool. And they're going to have gold piping. I love that. Carbon ceramic brakes on the S Plaid are going to be done in the beautiful gold instead of red. And they're going to have regular red plaid calipers on the X. Signature marked door sills, signature dash badging, and unique numbering, telling you what number your car is out of the amount built, which I believe is going to be 250 or 350 or something like that. Gold plaid puddle lights, so that's pretty cool when you open the door. Yoke steering wheel, so only yokes all around. Love that. We got the yoke in the Adventure Plaid right now. 21-inch wheels on the S, so the Valeriums, and the beautiful 22s on the Model X. Special interior lighting sequences, so they've got, when you get in, you know, the ambient lighting is going to do its own light show exclusive to these signature vehicles. And you're going to get a signature edition key fob, which is kind of cool. And they come with black caps on the mirrors, I believe, which may have a signature logo on them as well. Sorry, not on the mirrors. On the, I guess these are going to be the side cameras? I don't know. It's saying skull caps, so I don't know. Could be wrong. Tell me in the comments below. It says black skull caps, which I believe should say signature. So I'm guessing those could be the repeater camera covers, not the mirror caps. That makes more sense, because in the original signature S, they didn't have a camera, obviously. They just hid the turn signal in that triangular piece on the side, and those said signature. So that would be cool. That would be a kind of a neat nod to the original 2012 signature edition. And of course, all of these vehicles are going to include the Lux package, which of course gives you free supercharging, free premium connectivity, and a whole bunch of other features, free included FSD. So very, very exciting. Just a ton of special features that make these vehicles so unique, on top of all of the amazing features that make a Plaid, whether it's the S or the X. Super excited for this. If you want to check out all the details, make sure you hit up my friend Ryan McCaffrey. He's the one that broke the news to us, and he runs a podcast called Ride the Lightning. So make sure you give him a big follow, and just kudos to him. Thank you, Ryan, for breaking this news. I'm so excited to hear it. I hope to be at the Model S, Model X farewell event. So hopes and prayers for that. And if anybody's from Tesla is watching, guys, hit me up. Shout out to the team, the Model S designers from all the way back in the day. This is the car that changed automotive. It changed electrification forever, and it paved the way for autonomy, for Cybercab, for Optimus, for the future. Thank you, guys. But that's it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video.